Hi everyone, welcome back to English Flow Talks. I'm Emily.
And I'm David.
So, today we're talking about something super useful how to talk about your day in English.
Nice. I feel like this is one of the most common topics in any conversation, right?
Exactly. Whether it's chatting with friends, talking at work, or practicing English online, people love asking, "How was your day?" or "What did you do today?"
Yeah. And sometimes I don't know how to answer naturally. I just say, fine, and that's it.
That's what we'll fix today. Let's make your English sound more real and natural. So, David, let's start from the morning. What's your morning routine like?
Well, I'm not really a morning person. I usually wake up around 7:30 or 8. The first thing I do is check my phone.
Oh no, the classic scrolling habit. What's the first app you open?
Usually Instagram, or sometimes TikTok. I tell myself, just 5 minutes, but then it's 30.
I think we all do that. But hey, it's a great way to learn English too, if you follow the right accounts.
True. After that, I brush my teeth, make some coffee, and listen to music while I get ready.
That's nice. What kind of music do you listen to in the morning?
Usually something chill, like pop or lo-fi. It helps me wake up slowly.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes, but usually just coffee and toast. I know, it's not healthy.
At least you're honest. A good expression for this is, I usually skip breakfast.
Yeah, that's me. I skip breakfast but never coffee.
I like that. Coffee is life.
Totally. Then I start working or studying. I try to stay focused, but sometimes my mind says, let's check YouTube.
It happens to everyone. You can say, I get distracted easily.
That's my favorite sentence of the day.
So, what kind of work do you do, David?
I work from home. I do some freelance stuff. Writing, editing, sometimes helping small businesses online.
That's awesome. Working from home sounds comfortable.
Yeah, but it's also tricky. Sometimes I forget to move, drink water, or even talk to real people.
I totally understand. A good phrase for that is, I spend too much time in front of my screen.
Exactly. My computer is like my best friend and my worst enemy.
That's a good quote.
Actually, I think a lot of people can relate, especially now with so many remote jobs and online classes.
Okay, let's talk about lunchtime. What do you usually eat for lunch?
Hmm, I usually order something like rice, chicken, and salad. Simple stuff.
Do you cook sometimes?
Only when I'm feeling brave. My cooking skills are limited.
Haha, you can say, I'm not a great cook.
That's perfect for me.
Sometimes I cook pasta or make sandwiches, especially when I'm busy.
Same. Pasta is life. Quick, easy, and delicious.
What about the afternoon? How do you stay focused?
I take short breaks. I usually stretch, drink some water, or go for a quick walk.
That's great. A good phrase is I take a short break to recharge.
Yeah, and sometimes I just listen to podcasts. In English, of course.
Good answer. Listening to podcasts is an amazing way to learn naturally. Let's move to the evening. What do you usually do after work?
I like to go to the gym or take a walk outside. It helps me relax.
That's healthy. Then what?
Then I take a shower, make dinner, and watch something on Netflix. Recently, I started watching The Office again. It's hilarious.
Oh, I love The Office. Great show to learn conversational English, lots of expressions and humour.
Totally. I even started saying, "That's what she said," all the time.
You're becoming a real fan. Okay, last part of the day, bedtime. What time do you usually go to sleep?
Around midnight. But I always tell myself I'll sleep earlier. It never happens.
You can say, I'm a night owl. It means you stay up late.
That's me, a total night owl. I usually scroll through my phone or watch videos until I can't keep my eyes open.
Haha, guilty. But it's important to say, I try to sleep early, even if it's not true.
Right, at least we're trying.
All right, let's review some useful phrases we used today. How was your day? I usually skip breakfast. I get distracted easily. I'm not a great cook. I take a short break to recharge. I'm a night owl. Let's catch up soon.
These are awesome. I feel like anyone can use them in daily conversations.
Exactly. And remember, the best way to learn English is to talk about your own life.
Yes, start simple. Talk about your morning, your work, your hobbies, and keep practicing.
All right, that's it for today's episode. Thanks for listening, guys. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow English Flow Talks and share it with your friends.
And tell us, what's your daily routine like? Leave a comment or message us.
See you next time.